here with Plane and Pilot and Flying Magazine. Today we are at EAA AirVenture Oshkosh. I am here with Edwin of Blackhawk. Edwin, thanks for having me today.
Thank you for having us here. We're pleased to be at Oshkosh 2026 again, as usual here at the Blackhawk booth, where we're showcasing this year a couple of our masterpieces. And we've got Perry, the Platypus PC-12 here, which is fun to work with Mark Patey and his team, which put the Blackhawk or fin-off engine upgrade on the airplane. And so it's really fun to showcase all the improvements and upgrades that you can do to some of these older legacy aircraft to keep them relevant and put modern new safety technologies into some of these older airplanes. And then also we've got our TBM that we had a customer approach us last year at Oshkosh who was very interested. He went ahead and put the engine upgrade on since, and now we're displaying his airplane here at Oshkosh on the TBM 700 series, where we put the bigger engine on and really give it the same performance levels as the TBM 850s. And so that's kind of what we like to do at Blackhawk, is upgrade some of these older airplanes and give people more performance in their older legacy aircraft and bring them up to modern factory standards.
That's fantastic. Well, Edwin, y'all are here pretty much at Show Stage Center, I would say, right across from Boeing, right next to Garmin. There's got to be so many new people coming in and out of the booth this week. So what's going on here for people that might be wandering in?
So we're thrilled with the wind that came through, because when we first got here on Sunday, it was packed with smoke, right? So there's tons of smoke everywhere. I think they even had the approach was IFR for a little bit.
It was.
So we were nervous that maybe we weren't going to get a big turnout, but the wind came in, blew a lot of the smoke out, and today it's a beautiful day, and the crowds have been coming through as well. So it's great to see all the people. I think over the course of the week, you're going to get some 600,000 plus people come through Oshkosh. So it's really like the air show Super Bowl of the world. And it has not disappointed so far for 2026.
That's incredible. Well, Edwin, I know this might be asking, like, what's your favorite child? So feel free to tell me to go pound sand if that's the case. But do you have a favorite airplane here in the booth this week?
So my favorite one is always the last one that we just approved. And so that would be the TBM 700 series. It's really fun. I think one of the best things I get to do is after we upgrade an aircraft, I'll call the owners and say, hey, what do you think? And that upgrade has not disappointed. So all the owners are thrilled with the performance. And that's just that excitement level from the owners is shared among everybody at EAA who comes out to really enjoy and celebrate aviation and the history and all that. You got the warbirds, you got the latest and greatest technologies. I mean, what more could you want under the blue skies of Oshkosh?
Absolutely. What is your favorite part about being here this week in Oshkosh?
So personally, I love the warbirds. There's just something about the vintage, and I love it when they do like the legacy flights or whatever, when they bring, or they're doing it right now.
Going on right now.
They're doing it right now. So it's fun to see, you know, some of these airplanes were built in the 50s earlier, and it's just fun to see them still in action side by side with a lot of the new technology. Like they had the F-22 going yesterday with a couple of them. So it's just fun to see that whole short history of aviation unfold in front of us.
Absolutely. All the way from P-51 Mustangs to Perry the Platypus. Thank you so much, Edwin, for having me, and I can't wait to see what else is going on here at Blackhawk throughout the rest of the week.
Thank you.